So when I put them in, they all come out like a rainbow.
So we put them in the order. Down.
Oh, you have to change them. Wait.
I think you need to get each in the right color, right?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do.
Almost.
No.
Okay, bring pink to this side. Okay, got it. No. Yeah, good. Okay, good. Blue one. Okay. Good thing. Yeah. I think it's hard to bring the blue one. First, bring the orange one. Yeah, now the blue one. Slowly, slowly. Make it slow. Yeah. We did all right.
Yeah. You should like and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Hello, little girl. Are you hungry?
Hey, cook. Can I ask you for something?
Yeah, please make it. Cook something. Oh wait. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, I'm the cook. So, could you cook something for me? No. Oh, I'm confused. Maybe I'm hungry too. As a young girl, you can cook for me, and as a chef, I can just guide you.
No, thank you.
Why not? Why not? Please, 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 please.
I cook them 8.
Yeah, I'm chef. I will teach you. I will guide you. I will give the instructions. You will cook for me. Is it okay? Please, 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 please.
But I was reading a book.
Okay. You can read after you the food. Yeah. What does it say? I don't know how to read.
A for apple.
A for apple. Yeah, we can make apple pie.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you. Apple.
Apple pie. Apple pie.
Let's make it now. Come on.
Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready. It's ready.
Oh, can I see? Can I see? I really want to see how is my apple pies. I'm very hungry.
Well,
what is it? What is it?
Well, I have to tell you something.
Yeah, what?
I ran out of apples.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What?
We ran out of apples.
I don't need apple. I need apple pie.
Yeah, but we need apples to make apple pie. So I just did blueberries instead.
Okay, no problem.
So it's blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie? What is it?
Right here.
Delicious. Let me get one. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you. You are such a good girl. I'll try to put those 3 marbles into the same packet, but it's not that easy. Or maybe we need some practice.
I can get 2 of them to go in the same one, but not 3.
It will take time.
Oh, it's hard.
What is this? This is a similar one, but what's the purpose?
Get them all down.
Maybe, yeah, possible.
A shortcut.
Getting all of them in the same level. This is not that hard, I guess, if that is the purpose. How do they go? Why they stuck? Is the purpose to take all of them down?
The purpose is to shake it around so they all go down.
You have seen it's a small but a nice one. So we had a nice time, right?
Yep.
See you.